Sobrang yana na rin talaga. Okay, yay!
Nag-ano siya?
Automatic.
Saan mo nakuha yan? Saan mo napalo?
Sa Divisoria. This is only 25 pesos. No, per balloon.
Yay! Dami mo balloon. So,
Saan?
just lang. Exclusive for Christine's. Ay, bongga talaga. Ikaw na, Christine.
Ayun,
Picturean
oh.
mo yan. Alas 2 hanggang alas 4 lang.
Ay, alas press na.
Baka
30 na.
Hindi pwedeng hanggang alas 4.
We're here!
Okay.
Mag-picture ka lang. Bitbitin mo ako.
Sige, gumawa nito.
Oo. Ang nice!
Okay, Jean, paano itong itong isang
Cupcakes! Hi!
happy birthday.
Thank you. We're all in pink.
Para sa'yo to. Ayoko kaya ng pink. Kainis ka. Saan tayo akyat? Ready?
Yay!
Wow, excited. Wow, tingin na to. Akala ko ikaw yan. Siya may alit din.
Hi!
Say hi.
Cupcake! Yay! Hi!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you!
Ikaw na. Happy birthday. Sa Hello Kitty.
Dapat one pa
Ikaw na, libo mo.
Picture ako kita Gusto ko ibabaw yung Hello Kitty.
Oo, parang mas
Wala na, ano na.
Uy, ang cute! Salamat! Galing kay kay Babes sa Raya. Yay! Tara, mas maganda kung nakalabas. Ito, mag-deliberate para makakain na. Wow! Thank you, Flo!
Ang cute naman.
You're so sweet! So, I have sponsors for the
Oo
cakes.
naman,
And
Tin. Hanggang sa birthday mo, syempre. Kailangan.
my friend. But do we have lighter? Wow, I have cakes to blow.
Si asawa ni baka na.
Isa lang, kababa na lang. Sige.
Asan na yung kilala mo? Bilis!
Mamaya na yan.
Ayun na, oh.
Ha?
Tulungan na kita.
Ay, madumi na team.
Tuwan-tuwa si Sophie. Are you happy?
Ay, madumi ulit to.
Dapat pag ano para kita kami.
O, hindi na kasya dito.
Tapo, di ba, baby? Okay na siya.
So, yun na. Where's my crown? Ano, nasira na yung letter K ko. Ang kulit.
Hindi ko makapagsalita niya. Gano?
Okay,
Paano magsusulat dyan?
life is space.
Yay! Okay na.
Yay! Kakain na kami!
Wait lang! Uy, teka!
Bakit na?
Ay, sa'yo ka yung belly. Kahit hindi ko na kami na, no?
Sophie! One.
Picture! And this, look! Doon, oh!
5 minutes. One.
Hello! Gutom na kayo?
Hi! Sobrang gusto namin!
O, game na! Kain na tayo!
Kakanta na tayo!
Day to you!
Happy birthday! Kasama yung lahat. Tapos, ito pala siya. Hindi kami gutom. Guys.
Okay.
Bayad ka.
Taray, may mga plato na tayo. Magigilis pa sila.
Malapit na malobatin.
Someone dance number.
Happy birthday.
Staff of management of Momsy Cakes Pasalon, San Mateo by Miss Kit, we wish you in advance happy birthday. We hope you enjoy your party and may God bless you.
Ba't tumahimik kayo?
Galit-galit daw.
Galit muna.
Gutom na kayo. Hello, kitty! So the entire place is filled with Hello Kitty stuff. And my friends are all hungry because now it's 3 p.m.
Para portion by portion kung gusto na madami.
Hi! Hi guys! Say hi! Hi! Ayun o, kuha na agad o.
Buhaw na ako eh.
Hi! So today is my advanced birthday party and this is here in Momsy Kitty Spa and Salon here in San Mateo, Rizal. And I will show you inside. Alice here.
Ayan ang lobe na. Diba nga yun? Okay.
Punta si Beth.
Sophie! So there's also video okay right now and my other friends are having their nails done. Hi baby! Ay, huwag mong galawin. Huwag mo gagawin. Hi! Video tayo. Hi Kaden! Hi! this is their bathroom, and it's also in Hello Kitty. And these are all of the things inside. And this is me. Hi! So of course, everything has to be in Hello Kitty. And I haven't shown you inside the toilet. It looks like this. It's so cute. Oh. It's so nice. Hi, Sophie. Hello. And they also have a kitchen, and all of the things are also in Hello Kitty. And this is the wash area. Oh, look, this is also Hello Kitty. So after a relaxing massage, they're having their coffee and hot chocolate. How was the massage? It was good?
Yes. Very relaxed.
Masarap, Nicole? Relaxing? Nice.
Pakiramdam ko, nakatulog talaga ako.
Sophie! Hi! I blurred. Hello. Hi.
Saan pa po lagyan ng ice? Last na. Mars, tali ka dito. Binukong talaga. 19 ka na next ano. So, kailangan mo. Magulos na lang. Taray, debu yung kanta pang debu eh. Ang kotel. Ay! Ibaho! Diba?
Song yun na yan.
Same.
Hindi pa din ba?
Nag-aano pa kasi. Maghahanda pa eh. Okay na yun. Okay na.